Automakers typically save the best for last, and McLaren is no exception. It's marking the end of the road for the 720S, 765LT, and 750S series with a last hurrah meant to rule them all. The 788HS is the ultimate iteration of Woking's supercar lineup and comes as either a coupe or a spider, with each body style capped at just 100 units. At the heart of the high sport is the tried-and-true twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8. Output jumps to 777 horsepower and 590 lb-ft, 800 Nm, of torque, enough for a sprint to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in just 2.8 seconds. It needs 7 seconds flat to hit 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, from a standstill and keeps accelerating until it reaches a top speed of 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers per hour. Customers looking for the lightest version will have to forego the convertible's open-air thrills and opt for the coupe. It has a dry weight of just 1,265 kilograms, 2,789 pounds, giving the 788HS the best power-to-weight ratio of the series, 614 horsepower per metric ton. By reaching deeper into their pockets, 1%ers can also ask McLaren to install an optional full carbon fiber body. The 788HS is about more than just an upgraded engine and reduced weight. It generates 10% more downforce than the already hardcore 765LT thanks to a newly developed aerodynamic package that includes an F1-derived rear diffuser. The new front splitter and raised active rear spoiler also help keep the car glued to the road, while a redesigned hood S-duct reduces the impact of turbulent air. At the same time, the front axle sits 5 mm, 0.2 inches, lower than that of the 750S thanks to a further refined hydraulic suspension. Stopping power comes from Senna-derived carbon ceramic discs hiding behind new forged centerlock wheels, marking the debut of this setup on the supercar series. The 788HS is only the third model to carry the high sport suffix after the 2012 MP4-12CHS and the 2016 MSOHS. Speaking of McLaren special operations, MSO will pamper all 200 cars, so expect each to be heavily customized.